I can say that I am a public failure. I am because dami kong ginawa, dami ding nag-fail. I started po my entrepreneurial journey more than 10 years ago na at Sun City with my first venture, Macho Mucho. I started din po a magazine called Republic Magazine. Gumawa din po ako after the pandemic ng isa pang negosyo, it's called Julius Point. FYI, most of them failed. So I failed more than many times I can count. So those are businesses that I tried but didn't see the light of day anymore. So if to be honest with you po, I can say that I am a public failure. I am because dami kong ginawa, dami ding nag-fail. Kung pwede nga lang, sana hindi ko na tinuloy. Masakit nung panahon na yun. And yet, somehow, with all of my failures, people stayed. So, uy, bakit ako, di ako iyak? Bilis. Woohoo! So I asked myself, who will support someone who's failing a lot of times? Who will support someone who's figuring things out? And I think only Grace can explain that. So I stopped saying na I built this brand because to be honest, it's not only me. So I started building what we have right now with my sister, that her name is no other than Kay Laiko. I can say moving forward that this is not what I built. We built this with my team. Because every success story has fingerprints that aren't just yours. The hard work of all people used to build the business in far-flung location, sa mga tao na nagpagod mag-construct, sa mga taong nag-compute ng salary ng mga tao namin. Those are the people who built the business. So it's not just me. I'd like to say sa mga batang negosyante dito na who says na kaya ko kasi magaling ako na po yung mababasted ng inyong ego with that, because entrepreneurship is not a solo act. It takes a village, it takes a team, it takes a number of people to build anything extraordinary. So now, through God's grace po, we are able to employ more than 180 people in Manila, in Mindanao, and it's a testimony that failure is only possible because of grace.